Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And here we have the show grid lines button, so by just one tap we can turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them. And these lines are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that they are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we can tap to the right corner and use this button to turn them off. So for now, the grid lines have gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.